So, whew, that was a long day. One day of work and then coming in here and doing this. Now we are going to use the underlayment over this once we get that caulking in, or the JM sealer, and we're going to put the gray underlayment down as well. So just extra precaution for extra waterproofing. All right, thanks. We have these little kits, which already come with screws, so you don't have to buy them separately. So what you do is it also comes, you buy these. These are 25 bucks a piece right now. One tube will do quite a bit. And then of course the Go Board fabric. And the way that you really would do it, in the seams where things come together, going between both, I recommend, fill an area, put it over onto the ground because it's going to screw into it. Put the screw there, screw it in. What that's going to do is it's going to cause the excess sealant to squeeze out of these holes as they grip into the board, keeping it from moving. And you wipe that with a cloth or a paper towel, and then you put a bead of this Go Board sealant all the way down, and then you just take a squeegee with the cloth on top, take a squeegee and scrape it down. Make it nice and flat. And that's gonna make sure that that gets nice and sealed. The Go Board and the other stuff, this side up, made in the USA, meaning USA. Ha ha ha. So that's going there. And right after that, I'm gonna get this last area done, and then we're gonna be putting in flooring. You take the underlayment paint, or not paint, covers this between here and here, and you tape it all along that seam, wherever you're gonna have that seam. Okay? Once again, we're gonna be using the Stainmaster waterproof vinyl plank flooring, Elkton Pine. And our tools come with the standard vinyl installation toolkit. So we're gonna go and try this the right way now that we can read the word Stainmaster this side. Much easier to install. So looking good. So, as you see, we have a small end down here, right? At which such point, it's only, size of your hand wide. We're gonna have to cut this. If you try to do this with the razor and then press it, this will not snap right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this with the saw. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. and click the bell icon to receive notifications on new videos. Please don't forget to put some comments down below. Let us know that you managed to get this far. And thank you very much.